Look, the Muslim Ummah is at a breaking point. We are being attacked from every corner. Whether it's the news posting something in the media, whether it's them making fun of you at school or work, or all of the comments and opinions on social media. We are surrounded by distraction, division, and threat. And you feel it, don't you? But why are we standing still? Why aren't we doing anything? Well, here's the truth. The world that we live in today didn't get to this point by accident. It's by design. So in these series, starting from today, I'll reveal something that no one has ever done before. I'll provide you with the tools you need to take back control as a Muslim and achieve a life full of success in all aspects: mindset, productivity, routine, wealth. So over the space of 3 episodes, we will dive into the core of the current problem of the propaganda machine and craft a full action plan to fight back and build the best version of yourself as a Muslim to set yourself up for success in both this world and the next one. Or in other words, what I call becoming a luminary Muslim, a source of light, guidance, and strength for the Ummah, something that we right now need more than ever.